The interesting thing about AI is it can actually create more and more data to be fed. So the first way I'd like you to think about the capabilities of AI is that it's a means to help you create data, enhance data, and integrate data. So for example, if you have a call center that's dealing with customer service calls, sales calls, you've got reps on the phone talking with customers, there are tools. One that I happen to be familiar with is called Data Orb, that can take all of the back and forth conversations, record it, use natural language processing to sift through all of that audio and actually create data that can be used in many different ways. You can start to track, what are people calling about? Is it hot right now? How are the reps responding to certain kinds of questions? Which calls are more effective? Which reps are more effective? You can also actually capture data about the individuals who are calling. What do they call about? What's their tonality? Were they helped? What is their attitude coming out of that? All of that becomes data. Data that you can use to fine-tune your operations, data that you can use to follow up with an individual customer after a call to understand how you can further enhance the relationship afterwards.